Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Erwan. Bonjour tout le monde, c'est Erwan. Welcome to the French whiteboard lessons. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your occupation. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First, we have étudiant, student. Étudiant, étudiant, étudiant. Investisseur, investor. Investisseur, investisseur, investisseur. Infirmier, nurse. Infirmier, infirmier, infirmier. Avocat, lawyer, avocat, avocat, avocat. Comptable, accountant. Comptable, comptable, comptable. Officier de police, police officer. Officier de police, officier de police, officier de police. Chercheur, researcher. Chercheur, chercheur, chercheur. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the occupation. Find where it is and see how it's used in the dialogue. Êtes-vous étudiant? Non, je ne suis pas étudiant. Je suis investisseur. Are you a student? No, I am not a student. I am an investor. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that our dialogue followed. Je suis occupation. Je suis occupation. The verb être, to be, in French, is used to express your occupation. In the present tense, je suis means I am. The negative structure in French is ne, verb, pas. It's used to negate a phrase or a sentence. In the case of je ne suis pas étudiant, it means I am not a student. Do you remember how to say student? Étudiant. Étudiant. And how to say investor? Investisseur. Investisseur. Do you remember how to say nurse? Infirmier. Infirmier. And how to say lawyer? Avocat. Avocat. Do you remember how to say accountant? Comptable. Comptable. And how to say police officer? Officier de police. Officier de police. Do you remember how to say researcher? chercheur. Chercheur. And how to say I am? Je suis. Je suis. Do you remember how to say I am an investor? Je suis investisseur. Je suis investisseur. In this lesson, you learn how to talk about your occupation in French. Thanks for watching. I'm Erwan, and I will see you on FrenchPod101.com. Salut! À la prochaine!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.